Shiba Inu appears to have struck gold. Now, I'm not talking about going out and panning for gold in the mountains or the rivers or anything like that. What I'm talking about is that despite the pullback it's had over the past couple weeks, Shiba Inu has actually managed to form a golden cross. Now, if you're not, I'm sure most of you guys are familiar, but if you're not, a golden cross occurs when a short-term moving average crosses the long-term moving average. This is seen as a bullish signal and indicates a potential upward trend in the asset's performance. Now, it's considered a key technical indicator by many traders and analysts alike, and it is a new opportunity to attract new buyers who seek to capitalize on a potential uptrend. And that's what Shiba Inu has really been riding for most of 2023, is an uptrend. Now, it said in this article here, it did say that Shiba Inu needs to gain a few more percentage to deliver a prominent gold cross signal that would have launched it upward previously. At the time they did this, it was at 4012, looks like 88. And actually, Shiba Inu right now sits at 401311. Now, this is a great sign. It is continuing to move upward. And, you culminate this with the fact that really there's not a lot of people that are interested in selling Shiba Inu right now. Yes, there are some people who have dumped and, sent the price lower, but whales have been accumulating. Holders have been holding. In fact, Shiba Inu now has an average hold time of 235 days. That is a very, very long period of time, guys. That's the thing you got to remember. I think this is actually the longest hold time in all of crypto as of right now. I think there are some other ones that are closing in on. I think Cardano is pretty high up there too. Doge, I don't think actually is quite that high. But the point is Shiba Inu has a lot of trajectory going the right direction right now. And that doesn't appear to be changing. Whales aren't unloading during this time. It's held in such huge reserves. I mean, it's hard not to have a positive outlook on the future. I mean, really the only negative thing you could say is that shibarium didn't launch yesterday, which whatever, it's still in development, still coming. The devs haven't said that it's not coming. It's just more of a matter of making sure it's done right. And again, like I've always said, I'd rather have it launched and done right than launched with issues, right? So the key thing to remember here is, if you look back at the charts, if you've been waiting for a good opportunity to get into Shiba Inu, this probably isn't a bad time to do it. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research. But if you look at the levels that we're at, this 4012, 4013, these prices are in a good spot. I mean, that's where it was most of the back half of 2022. Ever since it hit the low in June, I think it was June 18th, actually, that 5077. This 4012 has been a great area for accumulation, especially when you can, when you compare that to the all-time high of that 4088. But that's all I got for you guys in this one. Shiba Inu struck gold. It's a very good sign to see, and hopefully it does lead to some positive upward movement over the next few weeks, few months, few years, right? But I appreciate you guys as always. Definitely hope you enjoyed the video. Show your love below. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.